Factorization. Introduction. Factorization is a process of writing the given expression as a product of its factors. Example: factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. The form of factorization where all factors are primes is called product of prime factor form. Example: factors of 70 are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 70. Factors of algebraic expressions. A factor which cannot be further expressed as product of factors is an irreducible factor. Example 1. 7 into y into z is the irreducible form of 7yz. Example 2. 7yz plus 3 are irreducible factors of 7y into z plus 3. Need of factorization. When an algebraic expression is factorized, its factors may be numeral, algebraic variables, or terms of algebraic expression. The factorization has helped to write the algebraic expression in simpler form, and it also helps in simplifying the algebraic expression. Example: 23a plus 23b plus 23c can be written as 23 into a plus b plus c. Method of common factors. Example: factorize 25a square b plus 35ab square. Solution. Let us factorize 25a square b plus 35ab square. On writing each term as the product of irreducible factors, we get 5 into 5 into a into b plus 5 into 7 into a into b into b. Here 5 into a into b is common factor. So 5 into a into b into 5 into a plus 7 into b is equal to 5ab into 5a plus 7b. Therefore, 25a square b plus 35ab square is equal to 5ab into 5a plus 7b. Factorization by grouping the terms. The expression ax plus bx plus ay plus by is expressed as the product of its factors. The factors are a plus b and x plus y, which are irreducible. Example: factorize 5xy plus 5x plus 4y plus 4. Solution. Here there is no common factors, so now we change it into groups. 5xy plus 5x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 5x into y plus 1 plus 4 into y plus 1 is equal to 5x plus 4 into y plus 1. Hence, the factors of 5xy plus 5x plus 4y plus 4 are 5x plus 4 and y plus 1. Factorization using identities. Expressions which can be transformed into the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square can be factorized by using identities. Example: factorize x square plus 10x plus 25. Solution. Here, first and third terms are perfect squares and middle term contains positive sign. So, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Hence, x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. When we compare with identity, a is equal to x and b is equal to 5. So, x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to x plus 5 whole square is equal to x plus 5 into x plus 5. Example: factorize L square minus 16L plus 64. Solution. Here first and third terms are perfect square and middle term contains negative sign. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hence L square minus 16L plus 64 is equal to L square minus 2 into L into 8 plus 8 square. When we compare with identity A is equal to L and B is equal to 8, so L square minus 16L plus 64 is equal to L minus 8 whole square is equal to L minus 8 into L minus 8. Example, factorize p to the power of 4 minus 256. Solution, here p to the power of 4 is equal to p square whole square and 256 is equal to 16 square. Thus, p to the power of 4 minus 256 is equal to p square whole square minus 16 square is equal to p square minus 16 into p square plus 16. Again, we can write p square minus 16 into p plus 4 into p minus 4. So, is equal to p plus 4 into p minus 4 into p square plus 16. Factors of the form x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. If the given expression is the form x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, then its factorization is x plus a into x plus b. Example, factorize m square minus 4m minus 21. Solution, comparing m square minus 4m minus 21 with the identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, we note that ab is equal to minus 21 and a plus b is equal to minus 4. So, minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4 and minus 7 into 3 is equal to minus 21. Hence, m square minus 4m minus 21 is equal to m square minus 7m plus 3m minus 21 is equal to m into m minus 7 plus 3 into m minus 7 is equal to m minus 7 into m plus 3. Therefore, m square minus 4m minus 21 is equal to m minus 7 into m plus 3. Division of algebraic expressions. Division is the inverse of multiplication. This concept is also applicable to the division of algebraic expressions. Example, divide 70x to the power of 4 divided by 14x square. Solution, 70x to the power of 4 divided by 14x square is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 into x into x into x divided by 2 into 7 into x is equal to 5 into x divided by 1 is equal to 5x square. Division of algebraic expressions. Here we divide each term of the expression in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. Example, divide 6x to the power of 4 plus 10x cubed plus 8x square by a monomial 2x square. Solution, 6x to the power of 4 plus 10x cubed plus 8x square whole by 2x square is equal to 6x to the power of 4 by 2x square plus 10x cubed by 2x square plus 8x square by 2x square is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 4. Problem, divide 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 by 26y square into 5y plus 7. Solution, 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 is equal to 3 into 13 into y into y into y into 2 into 25y square minus 49 is equal to 2 into 3 into 13 into y into y into y into 5y whole square minus 7 whole square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b is equal to 2 into 3 into 13 into y into y into y into 5y plus 7 minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 2 into 3 into 13 into y into y into y into 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7. Also 26y square into 5y plus 7 is equal to 2 into 13 into y into 5y plus 7. Therefore 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7 is equal to 2 into 3 into 13 into y into y into y into 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7 whole by 2 into 13 into y into 5y plus 7 is equal to 3y into 5y minus 7.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.